What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com. Got some more free stuff. Got this new site here I found. Well, it's not a new site. I found it recently. Honestly, I don't know how I overlooked this one. Master Resell Rights, Private Label Rights. Great stuff, okay? Now, it's got this one. I was just going to step through this and see how this goes. Candle making video site builder. This software will help you instantly create your own money making video site about candle making, complete with AdSense and Amazon ads, unique web pages, SEO solutions, and much more features. Now, I've done some videos on this in the past. Amazon kind of sucks because they're pretty cheap. They give you like 2%, 5%, 10%. If you don't sell something for $10,000, you don't make jack off of it, So these video sites, I use them for my woodworking niche because I'm pretty much, pretty much starting to get out of it, I've been in this woodworking niche for, almost going on 10 years. Now, what happened was, like Amazon, and I don't really promote this. I kind of just, use it for demonstration and stuff now. What it is let's see where this one's taking me. Yeah, this one's going to take me to Amazon. But this here, my account is closed with them. Okay. So you're going to run into that a lot. And I'm going to have to, obviously, I'm going to have to go in there and change it. Because you don't have to use your Amazon links on this. And it tells you to use your AdSense links on it. And basically, this is one of my affiliate links. Okay, this is one of my affiliate links. Let's make sure it's still working. Always check your links, man. Check your links. Yeah, there goes my call sign. AMO.com. Okay. But, it really, it's hard to explain. Amazon, I like Amazon. I've used it a lot in the past. I've actually used it for retail arbitrage and drop shipping and stuff like that. But overall, their affiliate program really kind of sucks. Unless you're getting hundreds and hundreds of views a day on your website, and people do make money off of it. People have made money off it, So let's see where we're going to go with this. What I like to do is copy this name right here. Okay. Copy that and let's put it right in the old YouTube folder. Now you got to remember, as an affiliate marketer, man, you're going to be downloading stuff like crazy. It suggests you back up all your stuff, number one. Number two, I definitely highly recommend, you're not overloading your computer with stuff. And keep track of everything, too, whether you do it in a notepad or whether you do it on paper. There's just so much stuff you're going to be downloading. Okay, let me see. This is probably the same. Yeah, it looks like the same type of program that they have, where you fill this out and different things, and then you make the video site. And all it does is it populates. Excuse me. It populates the HTML files. Okay. I got it on my Ted's Plan site. Now my Ted's Plan site, I kind of goofed up on that. See, and this is where your AdSense would go, okay? Okay, this is my AdSense ID is in here somewhere. If you look on the top here, yeah, there it goes right there. Okay. And, even on AdSense, I see all the big companies doing it. Walmart, Kmart, everybody has AdSense. And again, definitely if you're in it for the long haul, and you can get the AdSense. Because if you got a new website, they're really not going to allow you to put their banners on their site, because they want to see you got some status going on, Let's see, these look like their own, but a lot of these sites they'll definitely have, because after you do a search and you start searching around, even Walmart, they have like they sub out a lot of stuff too, meaning that sometimes if you're a company or a drop shipper or whatever, you can advertise your own stuff here, and of course I'm trying to make this video about it, and they aren't showing any, but they do use AdSense and things like that on these sites as well, but like with these video sites, they're not bad. They got a lot of text on them as far as SEO goes. So if you're in a niche, what I do, like what I did with this Ted's Plans one, I don't even know where it's at now. I definitely, it's probably right here. No, that's a boy. See, like I had that Ted's Plans thing going on, okay, and this was back in like the end of 2014, I think it was, when I first got it. Then I shut it down for a while. I thought I was doing the right thing. I saw this Ted's Plans. I was an affiliate. I was like, oh man, that's awesome. I got the tedsplans.com. I'm going to make $1 million. But I was completely wrong, because there's no keywords in that about woodworking. Right? You got to have your keywords in your domain when you're doing any kind of niche, I mean, if you're going to advertise and do paid advertisements, on Google or Bing or wherever, banner ads, Facebook, Twitter, you don't necessarily need it, but you need it to be familiar a little bit. So I did this Get Woodworking's free one, and that went off pretty well. That definitely went off pretty well. And also, when you do these landers like this, you really got to have a lot of pages going on, because because it makes it SEO friendly. What I do is I create these landing pages like this. Not even really a landing page. I call it like a bridge page, info page. And I'll send this to my email list. Like, I'll go click this, and then they'll go to my affiliate link. Okay, so this is my affiliate link. And this happens to be a great program. I thought it was a great program, but not too many other people did, for some reason. Of course, I really didn't get too many eyes on it. And what it is even though I like this, a lot of people probably didn't desire it, because it's more like you got to actually use a pencil and paper. Nobody wants to do that anymore, God forbid, But I thought this was a phenomenal program. And, they've been around for a while. Let's give you a listen for a second.
Building a wood project usually starts with finding a plan, and that's easy to do. A quick search online will give you thousands of woodworking plans to choose from. But what if you have a project idea of your own? What if you want to build something that has a unique size or shape, or something that needs to fit in a particular space? All the plans in the world won't help you now, because it's nearly impossible to alter the design of an existing plan. That's why I created the Easy Wood Project Designer. It's the perfect tool for helping both beginners and experienced woodworkers bring project ideas to life. But don't let the name fool you. This is not a software program. The Easy Wood Project Designer is a unique set of templates, diagrams, and guidebooks that require nothing more than a simple pencil and a passion for building. If you can imagine it, you can build it.
Okay, so if you're a handy guy, that would work for you, But again, I thought this was a phenomenal program. I even tried to turn some of my buddy on in the real world, who did, were into building and doing woodwork and stuff, and I don't know, they just didn't seem interested in it. So, but I'm sure somewhere out there, because this product has been around for a while and it still exists, that, you know, somebody out there would like this. It's just a matter of getting the right eyes on the right product, you know. And again, to me, I thought that was a great product. But I just wanted to jump in here today and tell you about this free PLR downloads. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay. You know, we use this stuff in affiliate marketing for basically lead magnets and stuff like that. Me personally, I use it to create my websites with it in a lot of ways with the information. And it's also a great free way to learn. Okay. Like this blog that I was making, you know, on this free Web Starts account here that I got going on. You know, and of course it's a subdomain. But all this information here was taken from Private Label Rights, and you know, I put it all up on this site, and I still got a lot of work to do with it, and I'm almost done with it. But you know, ultimately, you know, with the free stuff, you can certainly learn. Now, granted, a lot of these are old. Some of the newer ones, you're gonna actually sign up and pay for it. Sometimes there's just a one-time payment. Okay. But for the most part, you know, they're pretty good. They're definitely pretty good, and it's a great way to learn. You can really learn from them because, you know, it's written by guys that know what to do with a lot of stuff, you know, and pretty much learn a lot of stuff about anything on it. All right, so this is the old DOS Geek. If you've been having problems with your affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Put your best email in the form at rwcweb.com, and I shall take care of you like my own little hatchling.